the drivers finish their final checks, let's take a look at the Albert Park circuit. Starting on the grid, we have turns 1 and 2, where Chaos could potentially sweep. After the straight, we have turns 3 and 4, arguably one of the hardest braking zones on the track. Going turn 5 and through into sector 2, we have turn 6, 7, and 8, and is followed by a 1.3 km long high-speed, full throttle curve along Lakeside Drive that leads directly into sector 3's chicanes turn 9 and 10. A sharp 90-degree turn 11 is followed by a quick squirt to avoid spinning into the grass. Finally, turns 13 and 14 bring the drivers back to do it 9 more times. As the race almost starts, let us first see the grid. Okay, so the race is almost starting. All I would say for the drivers is to be attentive, you know. Here comes the 5 lights. And we are off to the first race of the season. Drivers heading to turn 1. Chaos could really erupt just in the first turn. And oh no, I think Balloon Junk collided. And yes, there goes Saklolo slipping away again. Montes stopping. I think he is lagging. Tagyam having a huge lead. We have the yellow flag, so they need to slow down. These two cars fixing their job. Monte still stop. Tagyam still in the lead. Heading into the turn 6. Tagyam in turn 8, leading the pack after the green light. Green light? I mean green flag, I'm so sorry. Gamis hitting the barriers. Saklolo and Aranzanzo in the pits. Tagyam still leading. Huge margin to Gamis, by the way. Both of them heading to turns 12. Now on turns 13 and 14. Can Gamis copy Tagyam? Yes, he can. And now we're on lap 2. The other 4 drivers still catching up to Tagyam and Gamis. Now Saklolo finishing his first lap, heading to turn 14. Reynolds on the sandpits. Let's see if he can recover quickly. And yes, he does. Saklolo finished his first lap. Huge margin to Gamis and Tagyam. Reynolds also near finishing his first lap. Both of the Mercedes still on the back. Ooh, Monte. I think he got lopped by both Tagyam and Gamis. Toto Wolff would not be happy with that. Here comes Balunjang finishing his first lap too. Now, Saklolo. mph car. Reynolds, I think his controls are glitching, that's why he's being slow right now. Turn 6. Oh, we have a yellow here. Oh, Monte got stuck in turn 9's curbs. Oh, that's unfortunate. What happened? I think we don't get replays. Getting flinged right now. I think he needs to go to the pits and start a new lap. Oh, poor Monte. He hasn't completed a lap yet. Now, when will the yellow flag go away? We have here Monte fixing his car. He's gonna start his first lap again because again his car got diminished. I don't know how that happened. Oh, we have Saklolo finishing his second lap, 74 seconds away from Tagyam. And we're back racing. Tagyam using his lead. Two seconds away. No, 2 seconds away. I think Tagyam has a huge lead against Gamis now. Earlier in the garage, he said that he will win this race. Not might. He will win this race. Now, at this point, it looks promising that he might actually keep his promise. Heading to turn 12. We have Balunjang stuck. There we go. And Tagyam finishes his third lap. Now he's on lap 4. Saklolo in turns 9 and 10. Now our main camera is glitching right now, so I'm just going to check on the POVs of others. Ooh, looks like Balunjang caused this mess now. Balunjang was in the way, so when Tagyam needs to get his lead back. There we go. Saklolo finishing his third lap too. We see here a car in the sand pits. I think that's Gamis. Heading on the streets. Tagyam with a huge back with his huge lead again. But Gamis is near him. Saklolo going where Gamis slipped, and he also does it. Now we have here Monte. Lost his livery. And I think he's retiring on lap 4 actually. Yes, I think he retired on lap 4. Because either way, he can't win this. We have here Tagyam and Gamis for the race. Both drivers heading to turn 1. Ooh, Saklolo and Balunjang again. That's the same issue as earlier. Now both are heading to turn 12. Ooh, Balunjang gets stuck. Saklolo. Going to finish his... I think that was the 4th lap. Yeah. Now Balunjang also doing the same. Oh, there goes Monte. I thought he retired, but he didn't actually. He is going slow. I think there's something wrong with his car. Tagyam heading to turn 12. Reynolds. We see Reynolds here on the slips. Saklolo going to the Santu. We have here Reynolds. Finally, our main camera is working. We have here. Oh, I think Reynolds got stuck, and that's Gamis trying to catch up to Tagyam, but Tagyam is just too experienced on Albert Park circuit. You know that Tagyam is actually practicing this track. Tagyam overtaking Monte for the 2nd or 3rd time, I think. Saklolo finishing his... I forgot what lap. I can see the lap right now. 50 seconds away from any of the top 2. Tagyam on the straight. Gamis also going on the straight. Oh, camera, do your job. Okay. This 1.3 kilometer long. Okay. That is a yellow flag for sure. No, a red flag actually. We see here Balunjang flipped off. Everyone stopped on the racetrack. the safety car, trying his best to flip it. We have Gummies helping the safety car. This is unbelievable, by the way. We are back on it again. Balunjang's car finally working. Stop on lap 6. Balunjang, I think, is only on lap 3 or 4 after this crash. And the green flag is on, which means we are back racing. Balunjang immediately crashing. No, I have no words to say. Oh, Gummies lost some time to Tagyam after the crash. We have here Tagyam on what I believe was turns 1 and 2. We have here Saklolo sleeping on turn 11. First race in and there's so much happening already. 2 DNFs. I suppose 2 DNS and maybe 2 DNF after Amazona retires, if he retires. Saklolo finishing what I believe is his 6th lap. Now let's look at some epic fight of this top 2, Tagyam versus Gummies. I believe they're like 5 to 15 seconds away from each other, but anything could happen if Tagyam crashes. Now Tagyam on turn, I think that was turn 14 or 13, and now he's on turn 14. Gummies sleeping on the sand on turn 11, loses some time. Tagyam heading straight onto turn 1. He does have a fight against Balunjang. Balunjang, I don't know if that will be called a corner cut, but he is doing pretty well. Oh, I was about to say that he was doing pretty well on keeping Tagyam away, but now he doesn't. Now these two still fighting on it. I don't know if Gummies will encounter the same. Tagyam on turn 5, heading to sector 2. Turn 6, he doesn't get to the sun. Turn 7, turn 8, Gummies on turn 5. Now let's look at the other drivers. I have here Balunjang, who tried to block Tagyam on turn 5, 6, 7, 8. He slipped on the sand, going still straight on, I think, the DRC section. Fighting against the time where he gets lap die. Now we have here Reynolds on turn 12. going to turn 13, and on turn 14, but he slipped on the curb. I think he lagged there. Now he gets lapped, and he finishes his lap 7, 2 laps away from the top 3. Now let's go back to the action of this top 2. Tagyam still leading, heading into turns. I think that's turns 3 and 4. Heading to turn 5. Gamis also going to turns 3 and 4, one of the hardest zones in the entire track. Tagyam sailing smooth on turn 6, 7, and 8. Gamis heading into the small straight on turn 6, 7, and 8. Both are now in sector 2. Tagyam heading straight onto sector 3. Can he complete the chicane? Yes, he can. They're nearing the final lap, lap 10. The question is, who will take glory? Tagyam heading to the 90-degree corner. He does it safely. He doesn't slip. Can Gamis do the same? Gamis lost. Where is Gamis? I think Gamis got stuck. And now Tagyam has a comfortable lead. Gamis was doing well when he went out of the camera. I don't know what happened there. But again, nothing can stop Tagyam. He's on lap, I think that was lap 10. We have here a yellow flag. I don't know what will happen now. Gamis nearing the lap 10. He is so near. I don't know why the camera is on Saklolo, but I'll take it. He crosses the line. Now we're on lap 10. The green flag is here. Now we're back on racing. Gamis. Is that Gamis? Camera, do your job. This is the final lap. Okay, now we have Tagyam heading to the final turns of the curve. It's a comfortable lead. As long as nothing bad happens, he will take the win. Now heading to the chicane one last time. He does it clearly. Heading to turn 11. Going to straight. Gamis nowhere to be found. Tagyam still has the comfortable lead. Heading to turn 11. Gamis just entering the chicane. Tagyam on turn 12. Turn 13. He slipped off, but he doesn't care. Entering turn 14. And he does it. Tagyam wins the Australian Grand Prix. The first race of the Nugget FRE series. Wow. Gamis catching up.
Yes, oh my gosh, I got second place, baby.
But the race doesn't stop here. Saklolo heading into turn 13. Is that oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. He's going to turn 11. And to the 90-degree corner. There's no one behind him. Both of them are one lap away. Saklolo on turn 12. The final chicane. 13. Slips on turn 14. And he gets third place. Wow. Reynolds finishes his race after 500 seconds from Tagyam. Now at this point, Balunjang retired because of the laps, and thus we have our final standings. So here are the final standings for time. And here is for the points. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next race to be announced.